On Monday night, I was invited to a little panel with TikTok to talk all about this new creativity program beta, and I'm going to show you some things that they taught us that I think were really helpful. The big challenge was basically people saying, like, how do I create videos that are over 60 seconds? What is actually working for those longer form videos? And they gave some examples. The first one here was the green screen selfies, which, hello, look at us right now. This one I loved. It was behind the scenes. So what can you show your audience behind the scenes on maybe how you create your content or how you run your business or how you do whatever it is that you're an expert at that you share on TikTok? Challenges. This is something that I don't typically ever participate in, but it is a good way to take up some time in a video because you can kind of like go in depth with whatever challenge is going around, or you can also start your own. That was something that they mentioned. Obviously, story times are perfect for this because I know that whenever I'm telling a story, it's very difficult for me not to like give all of the details to the story. And so it typically ends up being over 60 seconds. And obviously tutorials are a great thing for this over 60-second video as well, because we could get pretty in depth with the tutorial. They give an example of like a makeup tutorial, and instead of just like cutting parts out so the video can be shorter, you can just keep this as like a more in-depth tutorial similar to what you would see on YouTube. Very curious to hear what your thoughts are on this over 60-second video. Are you comfortable? Are you comfortable making videos that are over 60 seconds, or does it scare you? Because I actually feel like it's hard for me to make a video that's under 60 seconds. Maybe you just need to learn how to talk too much.